Students, today's session discuss thermodynamics 11th standard Gibbs free energy characteristics. Another Gibbs free energy relationship between the work done and the process. So, first of all, Gibbs free energy already discussed. Student, Gibbs free energy is defined as the G equal to H minus Ts. G also Gibbs free energy, the substance. H also enthalpy, gain of energy. So G consider is also extensive property, and T is also temperature. S also entropy is involved to the heat divided temperature based of the entropy. So already discussed. So G single valued of the state function. So the differentiate the conditions, very important conditions. The spontaneity. For a spontaneity process means delta G is negative. The delta G values is a negative values. So what is mean by delta G is applied to the thermodynamics condition. Delta G equal to delta H enthalpy minus T delta S. So involved to the heat, the entropy, enthalpy, Gibbs free energy basic. That the delta G values negative means is the spontaneous process. The delta G value positive means non-spontaneous process. Delta G value 0 means equilibrium process. So net work done the process minus delta G equal to minus W is the work minus pressure delta volume. So minus delta G equal to minus W minus P delta V is the characteristic based on the net work done. So relationship between Gibbs free energy and work done the process. So first delta G equal to delta H minus delta T delta S, but we can delta H equal to one equation delta U plus P delta V. So it will be considered equation 1, students. It will be considered equation 2. So equation 2 substitute the equation 1 on the delta H position. So delta G equal to delta U plus P delta V minus T delta S. So U internal energy equal to Q plus W. So third equation substitute the delta U position. So delta G equal to Q plus W P plus P delta V minus T delta S. So T delta S equal to based on the temperature is the Q charge. So Q apply. So delta G equal to work done the process is also negative signs is a Q plus W plus P delta V minus Q. Q cancel, and next delta G equal to work plus P delta V is also net work done the process means minus delta G equal to minus W minus P delta V is a net work done the process involved to the substance is also calorific Gibbs free energy is work done the process. So important 3 mark or 5 mark relationships, important questions. Next discuss will be the bomb calorimeter. Sorry students, after discuss bomb calorimeter, the delta G spontaneous process is also conditions will be discussed. The criteria is the reaction takes place, is the external dividing force is called spontaneous process. So some reactions involved to the any substance is that without external driving force is called spontaneous process. So one substance change into the another form is a product given. So no external force involved to the substance is called spontaneous process. So based on the spontaneity conditions, delta S is entropy is positive, delta H is negative, delta G is negative is the spontaneity process. So reaction quotient, so very important to mark. What is the reactant quotient? The defined as the ratio between the concentration of the product and the molar concentration of reactant is under the non-equilibrium conditions. Example, reactant to gives product is a non-equilibrium conditions is based on the reactant and product. So relationship between the Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant. So anyone consider A and B type of molecules, forward and backward reaction. A and B, forward and backward reaction. So give the product C plus D. So delta G, consider the variation of delta G naught plus RT ln Q. So delta G consider 0, then value is called Q is equal to kinetic equilibrium. So apply the 0, delta G equal to RT ln chemical equilibrium. So the delta G values is the LHS2 value, delta G naught equal to minus RT ln chemical equilibrium, kinetics equilibrium. So delta G naught value, power of the 10th logarithmic form value, minus value is 2.303, 10 power values logarithmic form. So minus 2.303 apply RT log chemical equilibrium. This is a gives free energy on the equilibrium constant. And next very important question, third law of thermodynamics. Any entropy is a pure crystal substance is called absolute zero perfectly crystal. Any entropy. So what is meant by entropy, students? S. So S equal to based on the Q by T, heat divided temperature. Also that substance S value is called entropy is perfectly zero. Pure crystalline substance means is called perfectly crystal. The pure crystal substance absolute zero is 0. So what is meant by S0 and temperature 0 means is considered the crystal is perfect crystal. So next important, the calorific values. The most of product part is a packing cover. Mention of the energy calorific value kilocalorie joule. How to the measure of the measurement in the equipment is a bomb calorimeter. Now I also discuss very important 5 mark. The diagram will be verified for your book. So discuss the bomb calorimeter. Explain the measurement delta U using internal energy using bomb calorimeter. So what is the based on enthalpy combustions is the using calorimeter. So inner the vessels made of the strong steel. Imagine to the one square is the strong steel is inner the vessel fitted to the cover vessels using screws. Noun weight is a substance is already measured with weight taken in a platinum cup. Taken in a platinum cup is also composed with a electric arc. So the bomb tightly closed with excess of oxygen immersed into the container is also immersed in water. The heat evolved during the reaction absorbed to the calorimeter and the water. The combustion is also heat involved the temperature. The calorimeter will be absorbed. So increasing the temperature measured using the Beckmann thermometer. The amount of heat produced to the reaction equal to the heat absorbed to the calorimeter and the water. The heat absorbed by the calorimeter is given by the heat absorbed Q1 equal to chemical kinetics involved to the temperature absorbed to the variation delta T. K is also calorimeter constant, is a chemical kinetics calorimeter constant. The heat absorbed by the water is given by Q2 equal to mass of substance water is the calorimeter substance is also water is the delta T is the molar mass based on the molar mass of the water. M is also molar mass is the mass of the water. And next will be consider the calorific value of internal energy delta U equal to Q1 plus Q2 and my K delta T minus K delta T equal to molar volume of mass of water and calorific value of water delta T is a common delta T in the outside the bracket K plus mass of molar water and calorific of water is also heat involved to the temperature differentiate of delta T. And so enthalpy variation based on the pressure delta HC naught pressure equal to delta U calorific volume into the delta U internal energy and the delta Ng gas molecule based on the R gas constant into temperature. This equation will be applied to the values is a calorific value will be calculated. The caloric constant is also determined the burning in a standard substance like the benzoic acid, and most of substance will be used as the enthalpy combustion is the constant pressure is given by to the reactions. In the reaction to the delta Hg is the applications of bomb calorimeter, where will be applications is also discussed. So applications, the user determined the heat released combustion reactions and calculated the food calorific values, and industrial food processing is the explosive testing is the most of important two applications of bomb calorimeter. One important 3 mark. So totally one important 5 mark for the bomb calorimeter function and supply, and is will be diagram will be right. Thank you students. Next that lesson is the most of topic will be completed. That lesson only calculation part will be discussed for last session. Thanks for watching. Thank you to all students.